A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Mamukase, Mamukase, Mamukase. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. In Hasi Izororo Unity Day. Chaka chaya munhu wese vanhu vari kumafaro vari vanonzvimbo zvakasiyana siyana. That is the reason why I am at home and I'm feeling grateful. I'm feeling wonderfully protected by the Lord. Let us talk about what is very important. Killer Zivhu this week, he has done a lot of things and he has said something very important. Unoziva kuti kune zvimwe zvinhu so zvinoda kuti vanhu vange vachinyara. If you are an adult, if you are an elder, if you believe that you are an intellectual, pane zvimwe zvinhu zvinoda kuti upote uchinyarawo uchiona kuti aiwa aya maitiro aya haachaita. Hanzi naKiller Zivhu, hanzi naChavangu, face ya Chamisas is company property and muchisekerera this guy. Okay, let me try to enlarge it so that we actually read everything and we see everything. Okay, my screen is cutting some things, some important things here. Okay. Hanzi mukaramba musekerera this guy muchazochema. Mugabe was destroyed by grace vanachisekerera. Vamwe vachidya ice cream. Biti Ncube, Mafume Hwende and others. Your political career is being finished by this guy. So what Killer Zivhu is saying is actually the truth here, guys. A lot of people who attack us and say muskuda kuti Chamisa udzwe chokwadi or whatever your reasoning is. But remember kuti there is something called destiny. When someone is destined to lead a nation, he will lead the nation with or without you. Nelson Chamisa is destined to be the leader of Zimbabwe. It's not by mistake. Nelson Chamisa was there. There are other comrades who were there, the likes of Biti, the likes of Mafume Tshabangu. They would have taken over the leadership of MDC after Mafume Tshabangu, but they failed because of destiny. Destiny made them leave MDC. Destiny made them break away from the MDC. Destiny made them break away from Mafume Tshabangu. And Mafume Tshabangu had to leave the party in the hands of Chamisas because he was available and present. Sometimes it's not about professional being a professional or being a senior or being an intellectual or being whatever or popular. No, it's a matter of being there. Nelson Chamisa was there and was ready. Biti was not there, was not ready. Many people will argue and say, no, Mafume Tshabangu yanga dzosa vanhu vese. No, vanhu vanga vasina kudzoswa, guys. It was just a coalition. Vamwe nevamwe vane bato ravo. Biti aitonzi president ku PDP. Ncube aitonzi president ku MDC, but they were working together with the same with the common cause yekubvisa hurumende yeZANU-PF. After which everybody would return party yake. That was the agreement. If they had returned, PDP, they would have dissolved on a PDP assets MDC. But it was not possible because why I was wakangobata maoko. Ndopo wazonzi naye mkuru makabuda nezvino modzoka musina. It can't. But they came back nema party avo representing their own political parties. So for them to force Nelson Chamisa to say, we are together, when in actual fact, Patakatanga on 24 January 2022, when Triple C was declared, they had their own parties. Those parties remained in parliament. Vanabiti vakatoenda koti vakanawina nyaya dzavo. It's just that they decided to contest under Triple C. But it had his own party, PDP. What happened to PDP? When was PDP closed? There is a court order of BT winning the cases of PDP against Matbenga. The court order is there. Why is it BT was fighting the Matbengas when he knew for sure that he was part of Triple C? Why were they fighting? So, why is it that Monzora was recalling the MPs of Nelson Chamisa? If Nelson Chamisa had the party, why is it the monies were paid to Douglas Monzora. It's because Nelson Chamisa was not in control of any other political party. He lost everything. He lost what was given to him by Morgan Tsvangirai. He started his own party. He listened to the advice of the people to say, President, start your own formation, start your own party. He started his own party. He was put to test. Monzora was there. Chamisa was there. They were put to test, both of them. Nelson Chamisa emerged victorious. He won some seats. And up to this day, he does have a huge following. Let us be in contrast. Let us be in agreement with Nelson Chamisa. But let it be an issue nemi. You cannot be a leader of PDP at the same time you become a leader of Triple C, whatever. You come Nyongoro, or at least you still have living structures. Are part of the PDP structures which were never dissolved. How did Sengezo Tshabangu leave PDP? How did he relinquish the position PDP? So we cannot be told what to do with these guys, honestly speaking. You are telling us that this is company property. But remember that Nelson Chamisa registered his face and registered everything as intellectual properties. A lot of people called him names, but he was way ahead of everybody. You take him to court as who? As what? Because the name Triple C, the face of Nelson Chamisa were registered as intellectual properties. They were actually patented. So how can you claim a patented property which was patented by somebody, by someone? It's said, Team Zimbabwe, but those are very. We'll see. This is the end of these guys. Honestly speaking, this is the end of everything and anything. Hansi is the law. Chamisa himself gave it up to be used as a party logo. No, he didn't give it to be used as party logo. He actually said, Zvinhu izvi, zvava zvangu. He actually said, Zvinhu izvi zvava zvangu. It's Chamisa who said so. Saka, it is Chamisa who can give that directive to say who can use this intellectual property. It was registered for Nelson Chamisa, not for the party. The words Triple C were registered against Nelson Chamisa. The face was registered against Nelson Chamisa. It is his property. So this is his intellectual property. You cannot confuse people by bringing falsehoods here. We talked about this issue and we need to talk about it again. So those were Zimbabwe, but we are not going to relent. We are going to continue fighting.